Poppy, show us how to move a ladder.
You go like this. Straight up.
Oh yeah?
Okay. Oh yeah.
What else? That's it?
That's it.
Do you step on it?
No, you don't step on it.
What do you...
After when you get the roof of the house, was the garage there, then these step on and mum hold it on the bottom like that, put the foot over here like this.
Oh yeah?
This is what that's kick back. And you just go down and then you get the levers in the garage and you throw them on the ground.
You throw the leaves on the ground?
Yeah, you have to clean them, yeah, because this way the water has to be free.
Oh, you put these on a little cookie sheet. What was that first one?
That's it.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
I ain't going back for that.
Alright, bye Poppy.